I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Call of Duty Black Ops Online easy method. First, install the game and sign into your account, then enable NAT settings for smoother matchmaking. Next, set your preferred controls and sensitivity for accuracy. Join a casual match to learn maps without pressure. Use voice chat to coordinate with teammates and practice loadouts in private matches to find what fits your style. Start by fine-tuning your controls to feel natural and consistent in every match. Reduce sensitivity slightly for long-range precision and increase for close-quarters combat. Change your button layout so you can aim, sprint, and throw grenades without fumbling. Practice aiming on bots or in a private match to build muscle memory. Consistent recoil control and burst firing will help you land more hits and win gunfights. If you're finding this helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and get more easy tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your ride smelling sharp between sessions. I use it after long gaming drives, and it always brightens the mood. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose weapons and attachments that match the maps and your role on the team. If you prefer close combat, pick an SMG with mobility. For longer fights, use an assault rifle with stability. Select perks that support your playstyle, like faster reload or reduced tactical cooldowns. Aim for score streaks you can consistently obtain, and communicate with teammates to control objectives and rotate smartly around the map to gain positional advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.